Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create text fill replacement. Start by typing your text, duplicate, click on the open layer style, uncheck the fill option, set it to 0, now add a stroke and pick your main color. Next, add a premium overlay for fake fill. This gives that text is filled with texture. You can choose marble, pepper or fabric patterns, adjust scale for clarity and also add inner glow for smoothly blending. This creates stylish title effect. Experiment with strokes, width to control balance. Use darker background for more contrast. Your text will look printed or engraved.